All right, welcome back. We are now going to do a side-by-side box plot to go with this cat plot. So far we have the means of the number of siblings, so the average number of siblings for each of these categories of eyewear. And what we're going to do is put a box plot for each of these categories of eyewear. So to separate out the data in the number of siblings, just make a box plot of the number of siblings for each of these categories. All right, what's cool is that it's very, very similar syntax to when we made the box plots just for that particular variable. So I'm going to copy this over. And the only thing I need to add is what the, got ahead of myself. So it's not that the X is the sibling number, it's that the Y is the sibling number, right? We want the sibling number box plot to be going in the vertical direction. And it's the eyewear that we want to be the X. So X equals EF eyewear. Oops. I tried to click on the thing and it didn't like it. There we go. There we go. All right, that should work. So let's check it out. I don't see anything right off the bat that is going to throw any errors, but of course it is. X equals DF eyewear, Y equals DF sibling number. What don't you like? Oh, I underscore where. Got it. Got it. I didn't see anything, but it was there. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. So what I'm seeing initially here is that the medians are really almost identical. Up here, I'm looking at the means, and the median is what's shown on your box plot. So it'd be nice to see the means on here as well. What I've got is, well, the medians are identical, almost, right? Looks like the means are going lower and lower as I go through these categories. And the only other things I'm seeing is that the variability for these two categories is a little bit less than the variability for here, especially this one where the IQR is quite a bit less than the IQR on any of these three, and there aren't as many outliers. And I forgot what the other thing was. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the means on here. So it's pretty easy to show the means. You go show means equals true. Okay, so these little triangles that you can barely see are where the means are. And I can almost see them going down, similar to what I was able to see going down over here. But partly what's getting in the way is the color is not great. And so I am going to pull over what we did in class. So it's under my research, and I'm going to get this palette that I created and see if that shows up a little bit better. So I'm going to tell it I've got a palette that I want to use. And then over here, the palette will be Rick palette. Palette equals Rick palette. See how that looks. Okay, better. Not bad. Even the green you can see on top of this other green. Okay, that's pretty nice side-by-side box plot. I think I'm going to go with it. All right, thanks everybody. Take care.